Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to never miss an update on my future videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So if you see a significant difference in the quality of this video, that is because I have invested in some equipment recently. That is why you can see a difference in the quality of this video, and I am also really loving this effect. So whatever I have actually bought and invested in, I'll be showing you guys very soon in another video. So I bought a bunch of makeup and makeup accessories recently from different online websites, and I have already received some of them, and I'm waiting for the others to arrive so that I can make a haul video. I'll be sharing a haul video pretty soon with all the things that I have bought, and among those there is this palette that I bought recently. This is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette, and today I'll be reviewing this palette only. And I have also created this beautiful makeup look right here using this palette, and I have tried to use as many shades in this palette as possible in this makeup look, so that you can yourself see how the things work out in real time. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump into the review. So the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette, wow, it's a mouthful. Okay, so the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette comes in a tin packaging like this, and this retails for around rupees 1850 for 19.8 grams of product. And in this palette you get around 18 shades. You can see along with this you get a huge mirror which is very shiny, I must say. So starting off with the packaging, I won't say that the packaging is very sturdy. It is not. It is actually very flimsy. It is a tin packaging like this, and actually when it came my order, one of the shade, this golden shade, this shade was completely shattered when it came. It was just shattered into pieces. So I won't say that the packaging is very sturdy. I won't recommend you traveling with this palette because it will get damaged. So please don't travel with this palette. This is not travel friendly. So here you get around 18 shades and 6 shades in a range. The shades range from nudes to bright hot pinks to blues to goldens, and you get a few purple shades also in this palette. This palette combines nude as well as bright shades, so I really like the shade range in this palette. You can create a lot of makeup looks with it. It contains matte as well as shimmer shades. Starting with the matte shades, I feel that the matte shades are very chalky. They are super pigmented. You will actually get a lot of pigment from them, but they are actually a bit chalky to work with. I had a hard time blending the matte from shade Venus from this palette, so the matte shades are actually a bit difficult to work with. Also the shade Venus actually stained my eye the other day. After I removed the color from my eyes, I could see that there was a bit of stain on my eyes. So the deeper colors would stain your eyes, but the shimmer shades, I am really in love with the shimmer shades. All the shimmer colors, they are so damn beautiful. They are super pigmented and super easy to work with. They are like butter. The quality is absolutely amazing. When you will feel them, they actually feel totally like butter. So I really loved all the shimmer shades. The matte shades are also good. The quality is good. They also feel very buttery on your hands. The minus part in this is that they are a bit chalky, so that makes it a little difficult to work with. You get a lot of pretty shades here. You get one highlighter shade as well. I have used one highlight shade in the inner corner of my eyes. As you can see, I have used around 5 to 6 shades from this palette to create this look today. I really love all the colors. I will be giving you guys a swatch of all the colors here so that you can see how this actually performs, how much pigment is there in all the colors. Makeup Revolution actually is one of my most favorite eyeshadow brand. I have used their palettes forever. I have used the eyeshadow palettes for as long as I can remember, so I did not even hesitate once before investing in a palette. I really love Makeup Revolution as a brand for eyeshadow palettes. I feel that they make one of the best eyeshadow palettes out there in the market. They obviously have a few hits and they obviously have a few misses, but most of them for me have always been a hit. I actually learned using eyeshadows with their palettes. They are very good for beginners as well. So I really love this palette. I will show you a close-up and I will also show you how these colors actually look in a swatch. So yeah, I really like this palette, and I think for 1850 rupees this is a pretty good palette. Only I will deduct 1 point from the matte shades, because I told you it was a bit chalky for me. That too is the only reason that I will deduct 1 point from this palette. Other than that, I think it is a very pretty palette. You can create so many looks with this. One of the major positives that I find in this palette is that all the colors are named. All the colors have names, so it is very easier for anyone to relate and understand which color is what, to distinguish between all of them. So yeah, that is one major positivity that I can find in this palette. I think I really like this palette. I know that I'll get a lot of use out of this. There are around 3 to 4 nude shades, and other than that all the other colors are pretty colorful, and they have shimmer shades, they have pressed pigment, they have matte shades. So this palette is pretty much a collection of many different types and many different categories of eyeshadows. Only if they could have done a little bit better job with the matte shades and the colorful matte shades, and then I think it would get a 10 out of 10 from me. So yeah, now you can jump onto this tutorial how I created this look. You can see how these colors perform on my eyes. Let's get started with the tutorial now.
So I'm starting off by applying some concealer on my eyelids. This will act as a eyeshadow primer. Next I'm just blending out the concealer. So here is the palette, and I'm just starting off by applying the shade Asteroid. It's a nude color, so it will act as an eyeshadow base. Next I'm using the shade Venus, and I'm applying this as a transition shade. I'm just using a fluffy brush to apply the color. I'm just using some more eyeshadow to deepen the color. Next I'm using the shade Jupiter to deepen the crease. I'm just taking the shade Asteroid again to blend everything out. Next I'm taking some concealer on a thin and flat brush, and I'm just cutting my crease using this concealer. Next I'll be applying the shade Saturn with my fingers. Metallic colors work best with your fingertips. It gives the maximum payoff, so I'm using my fingertips here. Next I'm using the shade Venus again to blend the two colors together. I'm applying the shade Spiral here between the two colors. It will act as a transition and just seamlessly blend the two colors together. Now I'm just drawing a wing liner to give some definition to my eyes. Next I am using the shade Cluster on the outer corner of my lower lash line, and using the matte purple shade Cosmic on the inner corner of my lower lash line. Here I'm just tightlining my eyes using a kajal. I think the tightlining gives the best definition to my eyes, so I never skip this step. I'm just applying some mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So here my right eye is done, and within a click my left eye will also be done. Now I'm just applying some Body Alchemy aloe vera gel. It acts as an amazing primer before my makeup. Now I'm just applying some foundation, some concealer, doing the usual things. Next I'm using the Swiss Beauty Baked Blush and Highlighter. This is an amazing product. The highlighter is so blinding. Here I am saying that the highlighter is blinding. It gives such an amazing payoff. Next I'm using this liquid matte lipstick from Insight in the color 01 Joyful. And I'm just topping it off with some Lakme 925 matte mousse. Here the look is done and it turned out to be so amazing. I really loved how the look turned out. Now we'll just move on to the swatches. So this is the palette and these are all the colors. Starting off with the first row, the first shade is called Celestial and it is a very pretty champagne kind of a shade, a very good highlighting shade. The next shade is called Jupiter and is a very pretty rosy kind of a shade. This is a matte color. The third shade is called Spiral and this is a metallic purple shade. The fourth shade is called Saturn and is a very pretty metallic sea green shade. The fifth shade is called Night Sky and is a metallic blue shade. And the last shade from the first row is called Mars and is an oxblood shade. This is also a matte shade. The first shade from the second row is called Harp and it is a pressed pigment. It is a very pretty golden shade. The second shade is called Universal and is a matte brown shade. The third shade is called Neptune and is a metallic blue shade again. This is a shade darker than Night Sky. The fourth shade is called Venus and is a very pretty bluish pink color. This is also a matte shade. The fifth shade is called Cluster and is a metallic black color. The sixth shade from the second row is called Solar and is a light golden shade. So these are all the colors from the second row. The first shade from the third row is called Dimension and is a bluish pink metallic color. The second shade is called Fractal and is a gorgeous silver shade. The third shade is called Cosmic and is a matte purple color. The fourth shade is called Mercury and is a metallic grey color. The fifth shade is called Retrograde and is a matte mauve color. And the last shade from this palette is called Asteroid, and it is a nude color. So these are all the colors from the third row.
So overall I think that this is a pretty great palette. It has a lot of colors, so if you want to invest in just one eyeshadow palette, you can invest in this, because here you will get a wide range of colors. One palette will be enough for you to create a lot of looks. So I think this is a pretty good palette for the price that we are paying. Only issue with the mattes that is actually fixable. Other than that, this is a pretty great palette. So yeah, that was my review, guys. I really hope that you like this video, and I really hope you found this review video helpful, and I hope that you like this look as well. So yeah, that was all for the video, guys. If you like the video and if you found this review video helpful, then please drop a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is MouliVenus, and I'll give you the details in the description box as well. So yeah, don't forget to check that out. Please take care of yourself, stay at home, get vaccinated, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.